Student submissions is probably one of my favourite features of the EzyCourse platform. Now, you may remember from earlier, we looked at quizzes. We also looked at assignment and survey lesson types when we looked at courses. Well, here's how you can get the data back from your students. So I'll first of all go into quiz. You can see I've got a number of quizzes on this platform. This one here has 2 submissions. So let's have a look at those just here. You can see that there's 2, and I can go into much more detail about those quizzes to see by user how many questions they got right and what sort of questions they're getting wrong. Now, under assignment, again, I can have a look at a user's assignment. I can download that. I can also send them some feedback, which is a brilliant way of engaging with users. Not only are they submitting information to you, but they're getting that valuable feedback from you as well. And then under survey, you can see the respondents of surveys that you've included within your lessons. And you can see the number of submissions and who submitted answers to the surveys that you've put out there. So student submissions, again, another powerful feature of the EzyCourse platform, allows you more ways to engage with your students.